How to unlink Facebook from COD Mobile. So let's get started and make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, you have to launch your Facebook application in your mobile device. After that, make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you navigate to your home page, now tap on your profile icon with the three-line icon from the top right corner. That's gonna take you to your menu page. Here, scroll down a bit and then tap on Settings and Privacy. Again, tap on Settings. Once you get to Settings and Privacy page, here scroll down and under your activity there you have an option as Apps and Website. Tap on it. Now in this interface, if you have linked your Facebook account to Call of Duty mobile game, then you will be able to see that application right here. Navigate to that and tap on it. In my case, I have not linked the COD to my Facebook account, but in your case, you will be able to find COD Mobile in this interface. After that, tap on it. After you do that, you will have this option to remove it. Tap on Remove and then again tap on Remove. And with that, you have unlinked your Facebook account from COD. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.